Hello friend, this is Susie from Dalian JY Electronic. We are one-stop PCB and PCBA manufacturer. We have the experience in PCB and PCBA for more than 10 years. Our customers are all around the world, more than 80 countries. This PCBA is for one of our Brazil customers. This PCB is FR4 material, green solder mask, and the silk screen is white. The surface is lead-free HASL. Components are double-side soldered. This PCB is used for audio control. After we finish the soldering, we need to do the functional test. This is the function test instruction provided by our customer. When we do the function test, we need to record the date. After test, we will scan all the test date to our customer for check. And then we will stick a label here. The label contains the information about the board revision, the test revision, and our production date code. For this board, you can see the LEDs and switch are very high, so we need to protect it very well before shipping. It has a blister box. We will put the PCBA into the blister box so that can protect the LED not be broken. Let me show you our workshop. We used the advanced equipment to ensure high quality. This is a Dyson printing machine, Panasonic high-speed SMT machine, this is the reflow soldering machine. Our workshop are dust-free and anti-static. Our clean production environment is the guarantee of our good quality.